Structure of Matter. John Dalton, 1766 to 1844, an English chemist and physicist, is the man credited today with the development of atomic theory. However, a theory of atoms was actually formulated 2,500 years before Dalton by an Indian sage and philosopher known as Acharya Kanad. He was probably the first to suggest that all matter is composed of very small particles. He gave the name Anu to these particles. The smallest particles of water is not a water atom. Why? This is because water is made up of two different kinds of atoms, oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. These form one molecule of water. There are substances that cannot be decomposed into simpler substances by chemical means and is made up of only one kind of atoms. These substances are known as elements. There are about 117 elements known to us. We use symbols to represent elements. Early scientists and alchemists used picture symbols to represent elements. As the number of known elements and compounds increased, this method too became tedious. Present system uses letters of the English alphabet to represent elements. It was first suggested by Berzelius. Latin names of elements are used whose symbols are derived from them. The atoms of some elements can exist independently. Examples are helium, He, or neon, Ne. They are known as monoatomic elements. Their chemical formula is therefore the same as their chemical symbol. However, the atoms of many elements cannot exist independently in nature. The molecules of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and chlorine have two atoms each. They are known as diatomic elements. The number of atoms present in a molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. This table shows the atomicity of some common elements. The valency is the combining capacity of an atom. The number of electrons donated or accepted or shared by an atom of an element so as to have a stable configuration of the nearest noble gas is called valency. The valency is equal to the number of electrons in the outermost shell, valence shell of an atom. Certain elements show more than one valency. They are said to exhibit variable valency.